Hi there. If this is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, then you are at the right place. First things first, click on the subscribe button anywhere around this video. Do not forget to like, share, so that other people that need these videos can also come and learn a few things. See you at the video. Alright, so we're going to be cutting a sleeve. If you've been following this video, you know that what we're cutting is a suit. So I'm going to be showing you how to cut a suit sleeve. This also involves a lot of calculations, so I advise that you take your time and don't rush the process. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw an horizontal line similar to what we did at the back. We'll give about 2-inch space from the edge of our fabric. So like I said, we're using the chest. We're going to be using the chest a lot. So to get our bicep line, we're going to be dividing our chest line by 8 inches. So what we have is a chest 44, which is 11, which is 5.5. We're going to be measuring that from this start point line. So I'm going to just measure 5.5. This is where my bicep is going to fall. But we are not adding it yet. Now what you want to do is you just want to mark a start point line on this side, a vertical line. No measurement in particular, just connect it from our start point to our bicep line. Now another thing you're going to do is you're going to be measuring diagonally from the start point, from where these lines meet here. So we're going to be measuring our chest line diagonally, which is 44 divided by 4, which is 11. Diagonally, you measure it from here to wherever it stops on the bicep line, which is here. So I want to confirm what we have. It's about 9.325. I'll add it here, and we're going to draw a straight line all the way down. So now that we've done this, what we also want to get now is our, okay, so let me use broken lines to indicate where we came from. So we're going to come down by 0.75 from our start point, which is here. We came down by 0.75, and then we're going to measure diagonally our sleeve length plus 0.5. So my sleeve length is 25 inches, and I'll add 0.5, which will give me 25.5. So we'll start from here, this 0.75 points, and then measure 25.5 inches to wherever it stops on our vertical line here. So I'm going to confirm what I have, so we can get a straight line. So now that I've done this, this becomes my sleeve length. Now because the sleeve of a suit is not straight, it's kind of curved. That's why you're noticing that we're doing all of these diagonal lines and all of that. I'll also use a broken line to indicate where I'm coming from, so you can understand. And now that we have this block, we're going to be infusing our sleeves. Now note, we are drafting for both the big and the small sleeve at once. This is a jacket sleeve. Now moving forward, I'm going to spread 1.25 inches around this place equally. This is a constant. So 1.2, why we are doing this you will understand in a minute. So 1.25. These are going to serve as our cardinal points, connecting both ends of the big sleeve and the small sleeve. Now on this part, we're going to be calculating for our wrist, which is also going to be our chest line divided by 6, which will give me 7.3. That is to get our round sleeve. Our chest line divided by 6. Now note, when you are sewing, obviously, you still have to determine what the exact round sleeve is, but for cutting, This is how you derive it. So I have 7.3. I'm going to mark it from this vertical line to wherever it stops here. And now that I have this, I will connect from this 0.75 to this 7.3 inch point using a curve. So I'm just going to extend that all the way down. Now my elm allowance is 2.5 inches, which means from this horizontal line on my round sleeve point, I want to get my elm allowance. So I'm going to further measure 2.5 inches from here. Now that I have this, I will connect this point to this 2.5 or 1.25 inch cardinal point that we came down by, and then this one, this upper part, I'm going to connect it to my round sleeve where this point and this point intersects. So basically what I'm doing is, and here. Please ignore this line. This was a mistake. So this is the line we are following. That line. The difference between our front sleeve and our back sleeve is 2.5 inches in terms of size. So what's going to happen first is we want to determine where our big sleeve and our small sleeve is going to meet. So I'm going to measure from my bicep point to my round sleeve, which gave me 18.75. So you divide 18.75, that's 18.75, you divide it by 2 and you minus 2.5. So I have 6.8875, and then I'm going to get another horizontal line. Now this is going to be my elbow point. This is where they connect. So now that I've done this, I'll measure 0.5 out or in from here. Remember I said the difference is 2.5 inches. So 0.5, we're going to connect from this elbow point, this line, all the way through this 0.5, all the way out. So I'm coming like this. We are gradually forming our sleeve. Now the next thing we want to do is we want to calculate for our bicep. Our bicep is 17 inches. If you divide that by 2, you will have 8.5. From this 0.5, this smaller sleeve, this is our smaller sleeve now, we're going to measure 8.5. So I'm going to mark it here, and then we're going to give it 2 inches allowance. This is our bigger sleeve. Now in a situation where you are not sure of what your bicep is, from this horizontal line, just split 2 inches. So go out by 1 inch, come in by 1 inch. In a situation where you are not sure of your bicep, but if you are sure of your bicep, you continue like that. So I'm going to connect this inner line to this 1.25 that we came in by, and this outer line to the one that's outside. So now that we've done this, another thing we want to calculate for is our cap height. So what we're going to be doing, back to our chest, we're going to first be dividing our chest. We're going to divide our chest by 16. We're dividing which is giving us 2.75. This will first give us our first cardinal point for our cap, for our sleeve cap. So you're measuring it from this vertical line back. You're coming in 2.75. Then we're going to measure whatever is left from this 2.75 to our initial start line, which was here. So our initial start line, you measure So what I have here is 6.5, and you divide that into 2. So I have 3.25. This is where our sleeve cap is going to follow. So to calculate for our sleeve cap, it is the exact way you calculated for the back chest line, which is our chest line divided by 24. So 44 divided by 24 gave us 1.8. And whatever value you get, take out 0.25 or quarter of an inch from it so that your cap is not too bulky. So I have 1.8. I'm taking out 0.25 here. And with your armhole curve, you're going to connect. So what we are connecting is, we are connecting this 0.75 point that we use to determine our sleeve length. We are connecting it to this point. We are connecting through this first cardinal point, and then we are connecting it down here. So once you've done that, what you want to do is just give it a little bit of shape at this point, and you're good to go. Now another thing we're going to do is we're going to be adding a sleeve vent to our suit. The height of our sleeve vent is 8 inches from our M line. So from here we're going to measure 8 inches up. Size 1.5. So 8 inches by 1.5 here. That's it. So the next thing we're just doing is you use your, there's a calculation for it, but there's really no point. So you're going to use your sleeve curve to connect all the way to this point to give us our smaller sleeve. So you're connecting like this. So if you notice, I gave it a little bit of spacing. So give it about 2 inches before you go ahead to do your curve. And this is how to cut or to draft your sleeve. If you've been following this video, then congratulations. If you do not understand it, ask questions, put it in the comment section, and then I'll look for a way to simplify it as much as possible. But this is how to calculate or draft for your suit sleeve. You're probably wondering, if I've cut out my big sleeve, how do I get the small sleeve? All you have to do is trace it out on another fabric on the other side of you can place it like this and then trace it out and then recut it. Do you understand? That's basically what to do. It's nothing complicated. So what you're tracing out is from here, here, through here, on all the way. Like that. And that's it. See you at the next video.